guys, I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for turning on to watch this video. So I just filmed the review video and tutorial using this Revolution Reloaded Red Alert eyeshadow palette. So the video of this makeup look and review is up on my channel already if you guys want to check it out. So in this video, as you've seen from title, I am reviewing the Revolution lip crayons. We call it a Velvet Kiss lip crayons. Here you go. So what they say on the website about it is, get smooth kissable lips with a Velvet Kiss lip crayon. This buildable formula allows you complete control over the intensity of the color. Softly swipe for a sheer finish or layer for a statement lip. This creamy, non-drying formula will leave your lips feeling hydrated and silky soft. I have two shades because I wasn't sure if I like it or no. It's still brand new, so it's a first impressions review, guys. I got in a color Ruby and the color Heart Race. These reminds me a lot of the NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lippies, as it's a crayon as well and it has built-in sharpeners. I'm not sure if the formula and all will be the same. If you want a proper comparison video, leave a comment down below and I can do that. Alright, so I got the color Ruby. Let's start from there. It doesn't say that it's matte or anything, it says soft, so I'm not sure how it's gonna be. Let's do the swatch. Oh, okay. Looks nice. Looks like a classic red. Okay, and then golden sharpener is supposed to be in here. Yeah, here you go. So there's a sharpener in here if you need to sharpen up, so you can line your lips as well. Okay, without any further ado, let's check this color out. Let's start from lining up my lips. Oh, okay. Okay, color is intense though. So they say that the color is buildable, so I could basically, just go stronger than that, and the color would be more intense. I like it. What do you guys think? I really like this ruby color. It feels very creamy on the lips. It doesn't feel drying or anything like this. I like how easy it was to use, how easy it was to apply, and especially brighter color is harder, without the lip liner, but this was just super easy. It's very nice on the lips. So as they say on the website, that it's a hydrating, silky, soft formula. It feels hydrated, it feels silky, it feels soft. It doesn't feel in any way matte though. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be transfer proof, but let's just check. I'm gonna do a kiss test first, so let's just check. What do you guys think? It's definitely not the kiss proof lippy, I can tell you for sure. Okay, I don't know if it's a point to do a water glass test, but we can go with that. I mean, it left a huge mark on my hand, but my lip still looks perfectly fine, so can't complain about it. Alright, I have a glass of water here. Let's just do a water test, like a glass test. It's not bad actually. Look at that. See this? Thought it's gonna be worse, plus a lips still looks perfectly fine, so hey for that. Loving this. So this is how this color Ruby looks after the kiss test and the water glass test. What do you think? Okay, so let's go with the color Heart Race. Same exact packaging. Once again, the sharpener. Okay, let's do the swatch. Love the color. It's like nice pinkish, a bit nude. See on the lips. this on the lips. Love that color. This is gonna be my daily nude lippy. Absolutely love this color. It's actually matching the shade I have in here. Alright, what do you guys think? I love it. Like, I love both shades. I love it. It's so creamy, nice. Like, my lips feels super hydrated. Okay, let's do the kiss test. I'm just gonna let's do a kiss test to see how it's gonna be. But on the lips, it feels amazing. I'm not surprised. I mean, we had this already, so I don't know why I'm checking. I'll check on the glass as well because it's a lighter shade. Maybe it will be less. This is the first mark we have from Red Lippy, the ruby one. Oh, that's even less actually. See guys? It's not as big as the mark as this one was. So it's not bad. And lips looks perfectly fine. So it means you don't need to do the touch-ups every time you have a drink or a food. We're definitely gonna be wearing this. I personally prefer more matte lipsticks because I feel like it stays on the lips longer than any other lippy would be. I'm not a fan of the gloss, but then this is in between matte and the normal lippy. So I feel like it's gonna stay on the lips longer. It still looks matte, it's not like shiny or anything, like not glossy, you know what I mean? It feels on the lips amazing, like super hydrating. Yeah, I love this. Thumbs up from me, definitely. What do you guys think of this shade? To be honest, I don't really know which shade I like more. I do like both. I feel like both suit me, both even look nice with this eyeshadow look. I think I'm gonna be getting more shades. I kind of regret for getting only 2, but I'm happy I took more than 1 shade because this is like literally a trial, because you know, sometimes you lose, sometimes you win, so I didn't want to waste my money in case it's like bad, because you know, sometimes happens. If you watch my videos, you probably know how honest I am with all the products that I test out. If I don't like something, I'll let you know. But this feels amazing even after this kiss test and the glasses. My lip looks perfectly on, and it doesn't get on the teeth, you know, like with some lippies, if it's not matte liquid lipstick that's just 24-hour wear or something, it tends to go on your teeth. Do you ever get that? This, I don't have anything on teeth. Amazing. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. My lips feel super hydrated. Absolutely loving this. Can't recommend this more. If you think that I'm raving about it too much, this video is not sponsored by Revolution. I invested my own money into this and I absolutely loving this. So I really hope you guys find this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more of the tutorials or more of the reviews? And yeah, I shall see you very soon. So have an amazing day, guys. Bye. Ciao for now.